Hi, my name's John. Welcome to an 8-month review of this Artec 181 inverter MIG welder. What I'm going to do is a series of short videos showing actual real world welding situations using the MIG, from thick stuff to thin stuff, fabrication jobs, repair jobs. Instead of just welding nice new coupons in a bench, it's going to be the real thing. The first one is going to be some real thick welding. I've got a job to do. I'll show a little bit about each job and how I go about sorting the job out using the welder to make things possible or easier anyway. Right, that's enough talk. Let's get stuck straight in, do a little bit of heavy duty welding. Dear me. That bastard's tight in there, that. It is going in, so it'll come out. Right, the plan's to weld those two together. This is a slide hammer. Heat on there, and it should hopefully come out. It is moved in, it's gone in 1/4 inch, but by the bastard's tight. This is the welder I'm going to use, a MIG 181. This is the front screen. At the minute, it's set up like a straightforward MIG welder. That's your wire speed on there. That's your voltage on there. I'm going to go into what they call the easy set mode. Right, at the minute it's flash on the left, 0.6. That's a wire diameter. I'm using 0.8, so we'll change that to 0.8. This shows me what it will weld using 0.8 wire. These are full penetration welds. Right, it's flashing 0.8 wire and it's flashing 4mm. That's going to give me 10 meters of wire per minute at 21 volts. You can turn up the wire or turn down the wire, 10% either way, same with the voltage. It's on the top one, which is the rate gas we're using, which is argon with 5% CO2. I've got a bit of thick plate. I'll try a weld on there, see what it's like, and we may well have to adjust things to get it just the way we want it. But it's certainly going to be a good ballpark. It's certainly going to be a good ballpark setting. So they're both in the centre. That's what it's going to give me to weld 4mm plate. When I weld this plate, it will actually show that amperage that I'm putting into the job. Right, to me that weld was a little bit cold, so I'm going to give it some more voltage. We'll max it out. Try it again. Right, that's pretty good. Right, that's the weld I've just done. I'm going to leave the voltage the same, and I'm going to turn the wire down 5% just to try and get the weld a little bit flatter. That really has got a good hole. That's well penetrated. That's the setting. This is the setting I actually used to weld it. I turned the wire feed down and I turned the power up. So it was 9.5 meters at 22 volts, which is just about the maximum the weld I'll do if I go out of easy set into an ordinary MIG. 12 meters per second, 23 volts. I could try run the weld at that, but I think I have to play around with it to get it as good as the easy set one. Doing a good tack on this at first. That seems to be biting in quite nicely. borrowed a suitable bit of material. Right, it's fairly warm, we'll give it a try. Look at that bastard. That's the appliance of science, that. Not the prettiest weld in the world, but incredibly strong. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did enjoy it, have a look on my YouTube channel. There's loads and loads more videos of a similar content. I'm sure you'll agree the welder did exactly what it's supposed to do. It welded that together and I couldn't pull it apart. There's a link in the description box to the Artec website. If you decide to buy this welder or any of Artec's products, be sure to use my name. It certainly won't do you any harm. Anyway, thanks for watching.